curly cuties, how have you been? I know it's been a while. Please forgive me because your girl's been busy, but during this quarantine, y'all can see my hands are dry and everything. Look, I don't even care. During this quarantine, I've literally have been working from home, and I know a lot of people are struggling as to what am I going to do with my hair? Like, I have no shop to go to, no beauty supply stores. Like, I mean, you could probably find some stuff, of course, like in your Targets or Walmarts, and some stores may still be open. It's limiting how many people are coming in, but beauty shops are done, barber shops are done. So I'm just here to just, kind of show you that you can definitely get salon results at home. You can get a silk press at home using what you have. I mean, I hadn't gone to the store to get anything additional. I just used whatever I had. So I did wash my hair, deep condition, did all that yesterday. I do not blow dry my hair before I straighten it. I just try to eliminate as much heat as possible. I know some people do blow dry, but personally, I don't like to do that. I like to skip that step. So I do the banding method on my hair. I basically put all my products in my hair prior to banding it. So I did wash, of course. I did deep condition. I used the silicone mix, the Dominican deep conditioner. Just conditioner. You can deep condition with any thick conditioner that you have. Use that. I didn't have a clarifier shampoo, but I used apple cider vinegar and water. And if you don't have apple cider vinegar, if you have any type of vinegar, it could be white vinegar, red wine vinegar, any vinegar you can find mixed with water, that should help clarify your hair. Before I banded it, I did my aloe vera leave-in. It's just my aloe vera juice leave-in, so you can do a water-based leave-in. I sealed with this hair polisher here. And if you have any hair polisher, it will work. Make sure it's nice and wet. You want it wet before you band it so you can get that full stretch. And then I'm just gonna probably lightly, I would have put this in first, but I could not find it. This is the Tresemme Heat Tamer. I couldn't find it, but I found it this morning. So I have my Nano Titanium BaByliss, I think that's how you say it. BaByliss or BaByliss Pro. Now this is a cool mist iron, so I don't know if you can see that, but in between the plates, you can do the mist here, which I've done. It has a little reservoir. I've done that, but it really works great without the mist. I have the mini titanium BaByliss Pro. I had this forever. I usually travel with this. It's really nice and small, and I'm going to use this just for my edges. Silk press to kind of like get that additional curl. My ceramic gem flat iron that I've had literally probably since I first became natural. But the Infinity Conair Pro. So if you don't have any of these great tools, you could just run to your Target or Walmart and really find any Infinity Pro Conair flat irons. They work very well. I'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to take my bands down here. Yeah, I'm looking a little crazy, but don't worry. It's going to be very nice. So I said, while I'm doing this quarantine, I might as well get some videos up. I have a lot of videos that I recorded, y'all. They just are just sitting. Like, some of them are really good videos, I think, that, you all would like. So during this time, I'm definitely going to edit them and try to get them out. So yeah, this is my hair after the stretch. Of course, I do have a nice little wave going on, but my hair is stretched. If you see any type of white pieces, it's from my aloe. I use the aloe vera deep conditioner that I made. Put that blow dry heat on your hair, which I believe it just dries your hair out, before you even put the heat on, to me. This way your hair basically soaks up all of that moisture overnight, and your hair will not revert as much as you would think, because when you blow dry, you're blow drying all of the moisture out of your hair. So by you doing the overnight stretch method, you're able to basically soak all of that moisture up in your hair, and your hair will not be looking for moisture. It won't revert back. During this time, I have created a growth oil. I've been using it for about a week, and I just noticed that my hair is definitely fuller, it's more moisturized. Even my scalp is not as dry, irritated, anything like that. So I'm gonna definitely take a picture. I wanna see what my hair looks like, you know, while using this oil for about maybe 2 times a week. I wanna see what it's gonna look like after this quarantine. You know, what type of length am I gonna get? I did do a protective style a few weeks ago. I put some Havana twist in my hair. Using the rubber band method. I probably should have recorded that video. I don't know why I did not do that. It didn't take me very long to do, but I did not record that. But we're coming up on the summer, right? So I'm gonna be doing more protective styles. I just need to get some more hair, and I will for sure post a video on how to do Havana twist. I put it on 410. I don't know if y'all can see that. And my hair, I mean, can tolerate 410, but some people's hair may not. I mean, I usually do a 375. Now, I'll see how my hair feels at the 410. Now, if this is my thing, this is how you know if it's too hot. If you can't touch your hair right after it comes out of the iron, if you cannot physically touch it without it almost burning your hand, then that's how you know that it's way too hot for your hair. Rat tail comb, you gotta double up on the heat protector. Now I'm just gonna do like a light. When I say a light wash, y'all, that's it. Like to put a little Shea butter. Now this is my Aloe Shea butter that I made a few days ago. I don't like my ends to be like burn frayed or anything, so I use a lot of that. Personally, I want it to be flowy. It's so soft. Like, I don't want to straighten it. It looks so pretty. I like the wave, but I need to trim my hair, so that's really the main reason why I'm doing this. So anywho, I'm just gonna comb it through. Use 1 inch of hair, and we're gonna take that down. We're gonna go in, tap that root a little bit if you can. I do see a little smoke, but that's okay. I just sprayed that heat tamer on my hair, so I'm gonna go in with the chase. Look, 1 pass. Now I was able to touch it, right? Right? That's what I was telling you. Now if you touch your hair, you're like, ooh, girl, way too hot, way too hot. You don't want to make your parts too thick. You want to be able to get all of your hair, including your roots, nice and straight. I need a little straight. We're gonna hit that root a little bit. Make sure that's nice and straight. And we're gonna bring it on down with this comb. Nice and straight. I'm just gonna keep going throughout all of my hair. Feels good. We want to make sure you feel that root. Make sure you don't feel no little lump above it. If you do, just take it and just go where that bump is. Tap, tap. You don't have to blow dry your hair to get your hair straight. Please know that. You'll actually notice more shine in your hair, more moisture in your hair, the softness of your hair if you let all of your products soak in your hair the night before and stretch it. All right, you guys, so the trim is complete. All those dead ends are gone. And now we can move on to the fun part of all of this. Do that. So I don't use a comb for this. I've already combed my hair through with my flat ironing process. Now we're just curling at this point. So you're gonna turn it, keep turning it till you get, ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that. So this is what you want to get your silk press. Do y'all see this? Y'all see this shine too? I don't know if you can see that. Oh. Hair, but when you do it, you're gonna do it all over. Caution when it comes to this. I'm gonna use my Oregonal hair serum. I mean, when I say does it, that's it. Like, we want to keep this weightless, right? We want that flow, but we want it to smell good. We want that shine, and we want to break up the curl. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Salon results at home. Come through. I like a little edge control, and I'll be back. Dollar Tree. Yes, I'm just gonna put a little on the edge. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and just push it in there a little bit. You know, get a little laid. You know, ladies, we like them a little laid. And I'm gonna do the same to the front. Just a tad, not a lot. Don't overdo it. Some people like to go in with the edge. You want it to look natural, you know? You want it to look very natural. It don't have to be too much. They need to come on with this lawnmower now. Why they sound like they in my yard? My yard been cut. These are my final results. And like again, I said, you can get your silk press at the house. And use what you have. I didn't go to the store for anything. I just used whatever I could find. I improvised. Yes. This is what you want. These are the results that you're looking for when you are doing this. If it has no movement, if it has no bounce, if it has no shine, you did not fulfill the silk press. Honey. In the house cute. You know, if you want a virtual chat with the girls or with a boo thing, whatever, you know, you can look nice and fly and presentable. And don't look like you've been quarantined, but you know, look nice and put together as if this ain't affecting me, boo. And it's really not, because I do this on a regular. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know if this has worked for you, and take a picture, send it to me. I want to see y'all results as well. You know, but this is my quarantine silk press. I think it turned out very, very well. I'm happy with my trim, and yeah, I'm happy with the results altogether. I think it turned out amazing. So let me know what you guys think, comment, and follow me on KurlyKP on Instagram, and also LovableKP on Instagram. I have two profiles. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a blessed day. Stay safe, wear your mask, do everything you need to do to protect you and your families. Love you guys, and as always, stay curly and cute.